Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Amazon Music keeps stopping while you're listening, it can completely ruin the experience, especially when your music suddenly pauses without any clear reason. This issue can happen whether you're streaming online or playing downloaded songs, and it often comes from background restrictions, unstable internet, app glitches, or device settings interfering with playback. What makes it frustrating is that the app might work fine for a while and then suddenly stop again. Instead of dealing with constant interruptions, the best approach is to fix the root cause step by step so your music plays smoothly without breaks. In this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to stop Amazon Music from pausing and keep your playback running continuously. Try these. Step 1. Check your internet connection and switch to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile network. Step 2. Close the Amazon Music app completely and reopen it. Step 3. Disable battery saver or background restrictions for the app. Step 4. Update the Amazon Music app to the latest version. Step 5. Log out of your account and log back in to refresh the session. Step 6. Restart your phone to clear temporary system issues.